Today we are launching the breast cancer manual.
It's a manual, it's a Bible, it's a guidebook, no, for cancer patients, no, on how they would go about accepting the diagnosis, going through therapy, and kung ano yung buhay after the treatments. It's a manual that's made, no, by cancer patients themselves, so they know what they're talking about.
At least ikaw nakakatulong na ma-share mo yung mga kung anong pinagdaanan mo.
Laking tulong kasi 'di ba yung mindset nga ng tao noon is pag may cancer ka, malapit ka na mamatay. Hindi naman pala ganoon.
Information is important if you're going through cancer. Kasi what will you do?
It will help several women in barangays. We will popularize it.
Para mas madali yung dissemination ng information. Kaysa naman hanapin, saan ka bibili ng librong to? Sino kayang pwedeng magbigay ng librong to, di ba? So at least, ayan, isang click na lang, andyan na.
This significant event signifies a big step forward in our shared commitment to support those affected by breast cancer in our own community.
A beacon of knowledge and support for patients, friends, families, and caregivers.
This is a book like no other. So you can download it like right now.
I-guide kami na pumunta ka dun, you can seek help from there and there, ganun.
Sana they'll be here pa 20 years, 30 years, 40 years from now. So they can help those undergoing cancer and cancer survivors. It's important, their advocacy.
Yung grupo natin na malaking bagay yan dahil may share natin sa mga ibang nangangailangan pa.
Breast cancer is no longer a death sentence. This is what stage 4 breast cancer looks like. It's been 18 years. Buhay pa po ako. Bakit? Because of that particular breast cancer guidebook.
Ating